Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Last class we discussed the solution to find out in the algebraic methods. First method, substitution method over. Now today class we have switched on to that elimination method, how to solve the given problems. When you are doing the elimination method, let us take a sample problem. With the problem I can easily explain for you. The problem is here 2x plus 3y equal to 3 and the 3x plus 2y which is equal to 3. This is the standard problem. To understanding I was taken it as well. So whatever the question they give, should not worry about that. Should check the conditions. So step number 1 is these equations are consisting solution or not. For that reason we need to check it out. The comparator ratios a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. The ratios you need to check it out. When you are taking it is 2 by 3 and 3 by 2, both are not equal. The moment a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, please stop comparing. No need to go for c1 by c2. This is having unique solution. So step number 1 is over. The moment the unique solution is over, next start your approaching. This is the elimination method. Elimination means you have to eliminate one component, then after we get other component. Either we eliminate x component, either we eliminate y component, we can do it. So what is the case? Let us go for take a problem. So let us 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. 3x plus 2y is equal to 3. So this is the case. So in this case, you wanted to eliminate. When you wanted to eliminate the terms, you have two options. So either you are interested or eliminate x component, either you are interested to eliminate y component. So when you wanted to eliminate a y component, the y quotients must be same. No sir, if you want to eliminate x component, the x quotient must be same. Is it same? But in this case, x quotient not same, y quotient will not be same. If whenever both quotients not supposed to be same, what you have to do is which you wanted to eliminate. If you wanted to eliminate a y component, simple thing you know. So if you wanted to eliminate y component, how much the y quotient? 3. With the 3 you multiply with total equation with 3. This total equation should multiply with 3. This total equation are going to multiply with 3. No sir, I am interested to eliminate this component. I should eliminate x component, should eliminate means what is x constant? 2. X component should be 2. So when your x component should be 2, what you have to do means, sorry to say that, one second I should say that. So when you wanted to eliminate the 3 component, you should multiply with total equation. This y component should multiply with, in this what is the y quotient? 3. You multiply with opposite equation with 3. Then this is a 2. The other equation you should multiply with 2. So what you have to do again, for the sake of understanding, I should make a red marker for you to understand very clearly. So what you have to do means, this y quotient you multiply with other opposite equation. This y quotient you are multiply with other equation completely with 2. Then you check the results. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, then 2 2s are 4. This is 9x plus 6y, then 9. Now we got both are same. This is the case 1. No sir, I am not interested. I will do other case also. I am interested to eliminate for x components. I am not interested in y component means same procedure you have to do. What you have to do means, please let us look at here. It is a very simple approach. What I should be going to see here. So simple, same thing. Whatever you wanted to eliminate, the thing you can see here. You wanted to eliminate x component. Take first equation x component in order. This is what the x quotient is 2. It means the total equation you should multiply with 2. So the equation with opposite equation multiply that quotient. So in this, what is the quotient is 3. So total equation you are multiplying with 3. So check the results, how the results will going to happen using 2 3s are 6x plus 9y plus 6. This is 2 3s are 6x plus 4y is equal to 6. Now these two become same. Either x quotient must be, either y quotient must be same. You have to equate it. You have to make it same by using these logics. Sometimes if directly the quotients are equal, no need to change. If it is quotients are not equal, you have to change it. So this is the procedure. So let us this or this, any one equation you can go. So let us go for this equation to that. So if it is not same, please what you have to do? Multiply with and you have to equate it. So let us once you copy 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3x plus 2y is equal to 3. For this I am going to equate multiply with 3. For this I am equated to this. I should multiply total equation by multiplying 2 by getting these equations. So this is the equation number 1, equation number 2, resultant equation 3, resultant equation 4. After these two equations, start working for this. What you have to mean? Copy the equations. 4x plus 6y is equal to 4. 9x plus 6y is equal to 9. This is equation number 3 and 4. If both equations are same, this start eliminating. If both signs are same, you should not cut. Please change the signs. So I am going to changing the signs. The moment changing the signs, what you know to means, please do it now. Minus 6 plus 6 going to cut. We are getting 0. So y component should be eliminated. So 4x minus 9x. So automatically this is answer is minus 5x. Plus 0 into y, if you write it is equal to 4 minus 5 minus 5. So written this minus 5x is equal to minus 5, minus minus cancel, 5x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 5, we can write x is equal to 1. Now getting x is equal to 1 answer. Once you find x is equal to 1 answer, to find y values, same as the substitution method, this you can substitute either 1 or 2. Which equation very simple, you can substitute it. So this equation number you can give 5. To find out y, equation number 5 in 1 or 2. Anyone you can substitute and get it. I am going to do is 1. So what is this? 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 into 1. 3y is equal to 2. So 3y is equal to 2 minus 2. 3y is equal to 0, y I got 0. So y answer you got 0. So you get two answers now. What are the answers? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. This is the answers for given question by using elimination method. Same thing if you want to check, we have check solution also there. Please check it out. Check means you can substitute it as questions. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. Substitute it as 2 into 1. 3 into 0 is equal to 2 because 2 is equal to 2. We got correct answer. Next 3x plus 2y is equal to 3. Check it out. 3 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 0. Same answer is 3. So equation satisfies. It means your answer will be correct. This is the way we can check it out. Are you clear it is? If it is quotients are not same, by using the cross multiply method, very important, that's what I was taken, tough problem. So those who are understanding very clearly, shall I go for next problem? For a simple problem, how you have to do it? For a simple method also I will make it to understand it very clearly. No need to do multiplication, which cases we cannot do this cross multiplication, all these things. If it is same, you no need to do it. So let us take substitution method. I took one column. That's what I do elimination method here. X plus y is equal to 4 and x minus 9 is equal to 4. This is 14. X plus 5 is equal to 14. X minus 9 is equal to 4. Let us check it out here 1 by 1. 1 by minus 1. 1 is minus 1 is not equal to minus 1. So here 1 by 1 and 1 by minus 1 both are not same. Therefore unique solution satisfied. Then check it out. X plus y is equal to 14. X minus y is equal to 4. If If you wanted to solve, elimination means quotient of x or quotient of any one is enough. So it is x quotient is same. No need to worry about that. Directly you can apply. No need to cross multiply. So take it out. Change the signs. X cut 0. Y plus I, it is 2y is equal to 14 minus 10. Nothing but plus 10. So 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 5. I got answer. This is equation number 3. This is 1. This is 2. Also correct. This is 1. This is 2. So questions are 1 and 2. It's easy to understand. After y value getting, please substitute in that any one equation. So 3 in 1 or 2 to find x. I can substitute directly easy here. So x plus y is equal to 14. X plus 5 is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 minus 5. So x is equal to I got 9. So I got x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. This is what solution. If you want to check, you can check it out. You have check solution also there to checking it out. Take first equation, x plus y is equal to 14. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. It's sufficient. X minus y is equal to minus 4. Second equation. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So both also same. Your answers are correct. This is the way you can do it. If it already same x or y, no need to do it, directly apply. Before case, even x is not same, even y is not same. To make it x, to make it y, options are yours. Convert in such a method, you can do it. I hope very clear these equations. Thanks for watching. Keep continue for next class. We'll explain cross multiplication method.